Hi guys, it's me, Ray from Raetalkss.co.uk, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a natural hair mask. You will need a bowl, coconut oil, some clay, some olive oil, henna and a plastic cap. So get your bowl, fill it in with your clay. There'll be more information on my blog. Fill it with some henna, then put some henna, then add your olive oil. Then your coconut oil. It was quite hard to get out, but yeah, just add some coconut oil. For full measurements, make sure you check out my blog www.raetalkss.co.uk and to find out the benefits of these different ingredients. So once you've added the coconut oil, you then want to mix the mixture. So give it a good mix, and with the power of editing you can see the consistency that we have here. You will notice though that this is actually quite a small portion here, so I continue to mix, and then I remembered I have quite a lot of hair on my head, so I then went to add some more clay that you'll see in a bit. So I added more clay, and some olive oil, and then I just mixed it until it was well incorporated, like so. As I said, for more information please check out my blog for the measurements and the benefits of this hair mask. So then I then get a plastic cap and I cover the mixture and leave it overnight. And the reason why I do this is because so the properties that are in the henna can come out properly. So if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you share it with at least one friend. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and have a good day. Ray.